Good morning, students. I am your math teacher, is Kiran. Welcome to all back to another session of maths online classes. Students, as we have shown in the previous video that we were discussed exercise number 6.2 how to solve from question 1 to question number 4. We were discussed and we learned. So in this video, students, question number 5 onwards we will continue. So, but it was left over there as on expect of you that you will do. But in spite of, doesn't matter whether if any problems created to solve. So we will discuss here. And before that proceeding, what we have to do? Simply use your headphones for the better listening and experiencing, and take out your textbook and get ready for the today's class. So students, see, question number 5 is given subtract. Subtract, it means in previous video also question came in front of us how to subtract. Students, be careful. In subtract, what we will do? From. What are the numerical value given in from? That from number we will write first. So right here, 3x cube minus 2x square plus 7x plus 8. No required to write in bracket, because without bracket the value is it as it will be same. So what subtract? It means now we will put here minus. Okay students, what the terms is given? See, 2x cube minus 3x square plus 6x plus 4. Now students, in previous questions also we need that this negative sign will multiply in all what the expression is given under the bracket. See students, what the expression is outside of the bracket, that will be write as it is. 3x cube minus 2x square plus 7x plus 8 minus 2x cube minus plus 3x square minus plus minus 6x minus plus minus 4. So students, we will find out the like terms. 3x cube minus 2x cube. What the answer will be there? 3 minus 2, 1. It means x cube. Okay students, no need to write 1x cube. X cube, if we have written, it means 1x cube is there. Minus 2x square plus 3x square. Which is greater? 3x square or 2x square? 3x square. So before 3, which sign is there? Positive. So we will put here positive. 3x square minus 2x square. What also will be there? X square. Next up, 7x or minus 6x. Which is greater? 7x is greater. Before 7, what sign is there? Positive. We will write positive. 7x minus 6x, x. Very good. Now see, plus 8 or minus 4. Which is greater? 8 is greater. Before it, which sign is there? Plus. So we will write plus. 8 minus 4, 4. Students, see, in this is your answer. So students, as it is, we will do and proceed in the question number next. Subtract the sum of 6x square. Students, be careful. Subtract the sum of this and this. It means you have to subtract, but to whom? The sum of. It means what expression is given. First of all, you will plus it, you will find the sum, and then after you will subtract from 10. So what I told you, that from numerical value we will write first. So write here first. From 10. What we have to do? Subtract we have to do. So write here subtract. Which one? Which addition? Which sum? This one and this one. So we will write 6x square plus 8x minus 9 plus minus 3 plus 5x minus 3x square. Students, you can ask, sir, why you have separated by the curly bracket? Because it is a separate expression. Why? Because we have to find the sum of. Already a small bracket is given, both terms, but it said that we have to calculate first sum, then after we will do subtract. So 10 minus 6. If we will remove the bracket, small bracket, what will happen? 6x square plus 8x minus 9. This plus will multiply now. So plus minus 3 plus 5x plus minus 3x square. So students, 6x square minus 3x square. What the answer will be there? 6x square minus 3x square, 3x square plus say or plus 5x, 8 to 5 13, it means 13x minus 9 or minus 3 minus 12. Students, I hope you understood. See, now question say 10 subtract this expression. What you will do? 10 minus this negative sign will multiply in all. So minus 3x square minus plus minus 13x minus plus minus plus 12. So students, 10 minus 12, which is what the answer will be there. So we can say minus 3x square minus 13x plus 10 or plus 12. What the answer will be there? Plus 22. So it is your answer. Students, I hope that you understood. We will consider the question number 10, but before proceeding about the question number 10, what we have to do? Question number 6 already done. 7, 8, 9. It is basis on 7, 8, 9, the same pattern that I hope that you will able to do, and you should try by yourself. So students, question number 10 we will discuss what must be subtracted. Question here, what must be subtracted from this and from this. Sorry, it means what must be subtracted from this term. It means what number we don't know. Which number we will subtract from this number, then the answer will be get this one. Question, same question as it is. What the supposed to be 10 is there. What number we will subtract and it will get 2. In such conditions, what we used to do? We used to do this term we will transfer this side, or this term we will transfer this side. Okay. What will happen? This term is in negative, so this term will become positive. So we will put here negative. This is given 10, 10, and this term is positive. When this will transfer in this side, it will be negative. 10 minus 2. It means at the place of not of interrogation, we will put 2. 10 minus 2. Then the resultant will be 8. Same questions are like that given. So let's see how it will be solved. Question is given minus 2 by 3x square. So minus 2 by 3x square plus 3 by 2xy plus 2 by square. So students, what must be subtracted from? From what we have written first? We have written from already we have written in first. But what number we will subtract? They are not known. So we will put here not of interrogation. Then answer will become 3x square minus 2xy minus 7 by 2 by square. Okay students. So what will we do? Simple. This all terms we will transfer this side, and this not of interrogation we will put that side. So right here not of interrogation. What is the term? Minus 2 by 3x square plus 3 by 2xy plus 2 by square. Now this term will be negative. Why? Because this all term in positive. After equal to, so this will transfer before equal to, it will be negative. So right here minus 3x square minus 2xy minus 7 by 2 by square. Say students, not of interrogation again. Minus 3 by 3 plus 3 by 2 plus 12. So students, we can observe that few terms is given in ratio number. Few terms is given as a ratio number. So as a ratio number, what we will do? We will find out the LCM. So otherwise, we will doing the next term. See first, minus 2 by 3 x square plus 3 by 2 x by plus 2 by square minus into 3x square. It means minus 3x square. Minus minus plus 2x by minus minus plus 7 by 2 by square. Questions. Now what we will do? We will do subtract or addition with like terms. What is the like terms? Minus 3x square or minus 2 by 3x square. So minus 2 by 3x square or minus 3x square. Right? In such a way, plus 3 by 2xy. 3 by 2xy plus 2xy equals 2xy plus 2y square plus 2y square plus 7y 2y. Simply students, we can do find the LCM. Suppose to it is your one term, this is your one term, and it is your one term. So now it will be easy to find out the calculation. So we will take LCM 3 minus 2x square minus 3 3 9x square. So plus here again 2 will be LCM 3xy plus 2 to the 4xy plus 2 will be LCM 4y square plus 7y square. What answer will be there, students? Minus 2x square minus 9x square minus 11x square by 3 plus 3xy plus 4xy 7xy 2. Okay students, plus 7y or plus 4y means 11 by square by 2. I think students you have understood how to solve such types of question. Okay, so if anybody have the problem to understand this all questions, you can ask. Okay students, so I hope you come to know how to solve the exercise number 6.2, and I expect from everyone that you will do. Okay, and after the completion of exercise number 6.2, students, it is requested or it is advised kindly send your homework on my number on my WhatsApp. Okay students, bye bye, thank you.